Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar. You're watching my channel, Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and Education for Us All. You find us once again in the kitchen. We are going to create another dish, another recipe for you in this segment called Cooking Made Simple. So hopefully you can tell from that is courgettes. So it's a very simple courgette and potato dish. नाज़रीन खुश आमदीद, मेरा नाम है मोहम्मद अतीक अनवर और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा चैनल मोहम्मद अतीक अनवर एंड एजुकेशन फॉर ऑल। जैसा देख सकते हैं ये एक और कुकिंग सेशन है। आज हम बनाएंगे जी कियातोरी और उसके साथ होगा पोटैटोस आलू। ओके, तो ये मेरी रेसिपी है। मैंने क्या कहें कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट किया हुआ है, तो ऐसे बनने में क्या काफ़ी टेस्ट होता है। तो उम्मीद है आप भी ट्राई करेंगे। ओके, so we're going to start off with the courgette. We're going to put that into a bowl. So we have our courgettes in there. Can we spray that with oil, please? Okay, so spraying is better rather than putting a whole amount in. So we are going to try to get about 2 tablespoons worth and then give that a real good mix. Okay, hopefully you can see from that that the courgette is very well oiled. So we're going to add the masalas to that, please. So could we have a tablespoon of what we got here? We have got chilies. Okay, so that's going to go in. Okay, we have turmeric, haldi. And we have garam masala. Lovely. And just salt, please. A tablespoon of salt. That is lovely. I think that's sufficient. Okay, so all the masalas are going into this. Okay, can we give that a real good mix, please? So trying to cover every single piece of courgette. And then we're going to leave that for around about 10-15 minutes. Okay, just to remind you of the things that we will be using. We'll be starting off with the onions, browning those, adding some tomatoes, and we have some ginger over there. Once that is done, then we will be softening the potatoes and then adding the other ingredients. नाजरीन ये है जी तरीका। सबसे पहले हम प्याज ब्राउन करेंगे, फिर इसमें tomatoes, जिंजर और पोटैटोस ऐड करेंगे, और जब पोटैटोस थोड़े से सॉफ्ट कुक्ड होंगे तो फिर कियातोरी ऐड की जाएगी. Okay, let's make a start. So into our pot goes 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, so the oil is warmed. Can we add the tomatoes to that, please? Sorry, the onions. Okay, so the onions have gone in there. Okay, so the onions are nice and brown. We'll add the other ingredients, please. Tomatoes first. Okay. Lovely. Can we add the ginger, please? Okay, so we want these to soften. So the tomatoes are going to be part of the dish, so we're not going to create a paste. Can we add some ginger and garlic paste to that, please? So this is a combined one, so we're going to add we'll have, 1.5, a little bit more, because it's got quite a lot of courgettes. Okay, going to give that about 2-3 minutes to mix, and then add the potatoes. Okay, so the tomatoes have cooked nicely. अब हम potatoes add करेंगे. So again, I like to cook these beforehand a little bit, but you can put them in the hard version, as it were. We're going to give these a good 5-6 minutes to soften. Okay, so the potatoes have softened nicely there. Can we add our final 2 ingredients, please? First of all, the courgettes. नाज़रीन, अब हमें डालेंगे आखिरी ingredients, तोरी और हरी मिर्च. So that is the courgettes going in. Give that a mix. Okay. A real good mix. Okay, can we add the chilies there, please? We like our green chilies, so we are doing about 6 green chilies in there. And then we're going to cook this for around about 15 minutes, and hopefully our dish will be ready. Masala courgettes with potatoes. Oh wow, there we have it, viewers. A lovely, lovely, lovely masala courgette with potatoes. Let's just add some garnishing. Can we have some fenugreek on there, please? Just a spoonful of fenugreek. And that is lovely. You can have that with chapatis. We're going to add dhania. We're going to add coriander to that. नाज़रीन, ये देखिए जी हमारी डिश मसाला की तोरी और आलू. नान के साथ खाइए, रोटी के साथ खाइए. That looks wonderful. Okay guys, I do hope you're going to you're going to have a go at making the dish. I thank you for watching. Please keep watching. Tell all your friends about the channel. Tell all your friends on your Facebook, on WhatsApp, all about the channel, so that we can improve our WhatsApp. नाज़रीन, उम्मीद है आप ये डिश ट्राई करेंगे. बहुत ही आसान है. ये देखो कितनी मज़े की बनी है. ये रोटी के साथ खाइए, नान के साथ खाइए. Even rice, I think we have it with. Okay जी, अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.